In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get started with Wix absolutely for free in July 2025 and how to lock in the best price possible if you decide to upgrade. If you've been thinking about building a website now, it's the perfect time. Since you can grab a free trial on the premium plans, you can explore everything that it offers before committing to everything. If you've never used Wix before, it's one of the easiest website builders out there, and I mean that in the best way. It's a drag and drop platform, so you don't need to know how to code or mess with anything complicated. You literally just choose a template, click on the parts you want to change, and customize it however you'd like. Whether you're building a blog, a business site, an online store, or even a portfolio, Wix has templates and tools for all of it. What's cool is that it's super flexible. You can keep things super simple or dive into more advanced features like custom animations, member areas, email marketing, and even selling digital products. It's built for people who want their website to look polished without hiring a designer or a developer, and it honestly just works. That's why millions of users around the world trust Wix to power their online presence. If you want to get started with a free trial, use our exclusive link in the description below. Once you click that link, all you have to do is type in your email address and a password, and you're good to go. If you want to upgrade, here are the different plans and pricing options. So they have the Lite plan, which is $17 per month, and this is just the basics. So you get a free domain for a year, 2 gigabytes of storage, the Lite marketing suite, and 2 site collaborators. Then they've got the core plan, which is $29 per month. And again, you get everything in the basic plan, but you get more storage and you get the basic marketing suite, as well as accept payments, basic e-commerce, and you can have 5 site collaborators. Next is the business plan. So this is $39 per month, and you get everything in the core plan, but you get more storage, you get the standard marketing suite, standard e-commerce, and 10 site collaborators. And then lastly is the business elite plan. This is $159 per month. With this plan, you get everything that the business plan has, but you get unlimited storage space, advanced e-commerce, advanced marketing, and 100 site collaborators, and even advanced developer platform as well. So if you want to check them out, I've left the link in the description below. That's it for today. Super simple. So again, if you use our link, you can get a free trial and get access to Wix right now and build your whole website without even paying anything. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which mean we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So we just want to thank you so much in advance for your support if you do choose to use our links. That wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.